Hello, first graders. Today is the day that you take your spelling test on those words that you've been working so hard on all week long. So you can go ahead and pull out this piece of paper. You can ask mom or dad or big brother or big sister to read the words to you for the spelling test. They can be found in this green box, or you can continue watching this video and I will read the words for you. It is your choice. All right, if you have chosen to stay and listen to the words as I read them to you, put your finger on number 1. Number 1, that. That. I like that toy. That. Number 2, then. Then. First, I wake up in the morning. Then I brush my teeth. Then. Number 3, this. This. This is my nose. This. Number 4, them. Them. My mom told me to go and play with them. 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 Number 5, with. With. Will you play with me? With. Number 6, bath. Bath. I gave my dog a bath. Bath. Number 7, thick. Thick. Mom, please cut me a thick piece of cake. Thick. And number 8, tenth. Tenth. It is my birthday on the 10th of January. 10th. All right, friends. Thank you for joining me for the spelling test. If you missed a word, rewind the video to find the word that you are looking for. Or have mom, dad, big brother, big sister quiz you on the words in the green box. See you next time.